What really makes between the rich and wealthy? Rich versus wealthy. There are meaningful differences between the two, and they can have a huge impact on your life and your future. In this blog post, we'll be exploring these differences and what they mean for your financial success. Number 1, how they acquire their money. While the terms rich and wealthy are often used interchangeably, there is a distinct difference in how they acquire their money. Those who are rich typically make a high income, but their wealth is often tied up in material possessions or investments that may not have a lasting value. Wealthy individuals, on the other hand, have a larger net worth that comes from long-term investments and wise financial planning. Number 2, their mindset. When it comes to the mindset of the rich and wealthy, there are some distinct differences to consider. While both groups may have a strong desire for financial success, their approach and attitudes towards money are often quite different. The rich tend to focus primarily on making money. They are often driven by the desire to accumulate as much wealth as possible with a focus on immediate gratification. They may be more likely to engage in high-risk investments or take on debt in order to make quick profits. On the other hand, the wealthy tend to have a longer-term perspective. They understand that wealth accumulation is a process that requires patience, discipline, and strategic planning. Thank you for watching.